The Pocket CPR is designed to provide rescuers real-time feedback while doing chest compressions on a victim of sudden cardiac arrest, and to assist CPR instructors and students with verbal instructions and feedback during CPR training. Whether you're a layperson rescuer, a hospital-based, or a pre-hospital emergency medical care provider, this device will help ensure quality chest compressions are delivered during CPR. CPR is best performed by trained rescuers. It is recommended that all users of PocketCPR obtain CPR training from a certified training organization upon purchase of this device. PocketCPR may be used without training, as demonstrated in this video, but training and practice prior to use may improve performance during rescue efforts. The PocketCPR is meant for use on victims 8 years of age and older. Begin using the PocketCPR by pressing the power button on the side of the unit once. The device automatically performs a startup check and confirms with a voice prompt.
Unit okay.
Meanwhile, check to see if the victim is responsive by tapping their shoulder or chest and asking loudly, "Are you okay?" Call or direct someone to call for help.
You call 911 and get the AED.
If the victim does not respond, follow the voice prompt to
Open airway.
by performing a head tilt, chin lift. Next, lean down by the victim's face and look, listen, and feel for breathing or air movement. Gasping or very shallow breathing is not adequate breathing. Begin the steps of CPR by giving 2 breaths if you are willing and able to do so. If not, proceed immediately to chest compressions. Bare the victim's chest and place the PocketCPR directly on the victim's bare skin, aligning the device with the nipples and with the chin. Take note of the diagram on the front of the device for assistance. Without delay, begin compressing the patient's chest by pressing down directly over the PocketCPR. The device will beep, providing a metronome to assist with compressing at the proper rate. Compression depth will be measured, and all 4 lights will illuminate if proper depth is achieved. The device will also say,
Good compression.
if compressions are too shallow, a voice prompt will say,
Push harder.
after 18 seconds of compressions, the device will prompt the user to stop and give 2 breaths.
2 breaths.
You should pause, open the airway, and deliver 2 quick breaths, enough to make the chest rise. Then immediately resume compressing the chest. Continue cycles of compressions and breaths until help arrives. To power off the unit, press and hold the power button for 3 full seconds. The PocketCPR has a silent mode, useful in some settings where voice prompts could be distracting or unnecessary, such as a CPR classroom setting. To enter silent mode, power on the device by pressing and holding in the button until 1 second after the voice prompt, "Unit OK," is heard. Once in silent mode, no voice prompts will be heard, but all the light functions will continue to operate. The light metronome will begin to flash, indicating the device is ready for CPR to begin. The light will flash 100 times per minute, but the user must count cycles of 30 compressions and stop to deliver 2 breaths as necessary. A single light will flash if no compressions or shallow compressions are delivered, and all 4 lights will light up when proper compression depth is achieved. To power off the unit, press and hold the power button for 3 full seconds. The PocketCPR can be used for effective CPR training on a mannequin or even on a common couch cushion to teach rescuers the proper depth of chest compression. Instructors may choose to demonstrate the audible functions to their entire class, and then have each student switch the device to silent mode for group practice sessions. Instructors may move the device through the air to demonstrate the accelerometer technology that measures compression depth. PocketCPR is intended for use on victims of cardiac arrest who have inadequate breathing, are unconscious, and are over 8 years old. It is intended to assist users in performance of CPR, and its manufacturers and distributors strongly recommend CPR training to accompany purchase and use of the product. Additional information can be found on the PocketCPR website and in the printed product user manual.